Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to quietly post on Instagram without showing up on people's feed. First of all, open the Instagram application, navigate to the profile section from the bottom right corner. Here tap on the plus icon available at the top. Next tap on the post option. Select the post that you want to upload. It can be both picture or video, or you can also select multiple posts. After that, tap on the next option available at the top. Tap again on next from the bottom. On the next screen, scroll a little down and you will find an option of audience. Tap on it. Here you have to select that with whom you want to share your post. Everyone is selected by default. Tap on the small circle in front of the option Close Friends, then tap on OK. Now again tap on the Close Friends option and edit your close friends list from here. Tap on the box in front of your close friends name to remove them from close friends list, or you can also tap on the Clear All option from the top. Tap on Done from the bottom. Now here you can see that close friends are selected as your audience and the close friends list is empty, so no one will be able to see your posts. Now tap on the share button at the bottom. Then tap on Not Now if you don't want it to automatically upload to your Facebook account. After that, your post will be uploaded on your Instagram profile. And this is how you can quietly post on Instagram without showing up on people's feed.